birth of a child brings in immense joy and pleasure. It marks the beginning of a new generation. But imagine if the child is born with mental retardation. How can there be happiness ever after?
Childhood is when the infant blossoms like a flower. Childhood is probably the best stage in our lives. There cannot be greater happiness than the innocence and charm of childhood. It is inexplicable. It is when the child knows neither good nor bad, nor fear nor hatred. Childhood is short and hence very sweet. But sadly, not all children mature intellectually beyond their childhood. Such children who do not record appropriate maturity are referred to as mentally challenged. It is a medical condition acquired at the time of birth which cannot be cured even with drugs.
Hi, நான் பூஜா. நான் 3rd standard படிக்கிறேன். நான் ரொம்ப சுட்டி. என்னை விட சுட்டி என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் சத்யா. இவ நல்லா பெயிண்ட் பண்ணுவாள். ஆனால் எங்களை மாதிரி இல்லை. இவளுக்கும் என்னோட வயசு தான். இவளுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி ஏபிசிடியும் தெரியாது, 1 2 3யும் தெரியாது, சின்ன அடிஷன் கூட தெரியாது. என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இவகிட்ட பேசவே மாட்டாங்க. இவங்க அம்மா தான் இவளுக்கு குளிப்பாட்டி ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாம் போடுவாங்க. ஆனால் நானாகவே ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுப்பேன். சத்யாவுக்கு என்ன சொன்னாலும் சட்டுன்னு புரியாது. இவன் ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட். எங்கள் அப்பாவுக்கு சத்யா பற்றி கேட்டேன். எங்கள் அப்பா சொன்னார் இதுதான் அவளோட வித்தின்னு. இவன் சரியாகவே முடியாதா?
Sandhya is one among the many such children we come across in our society. When people come across such children, at the most they feel sympathetic about the condition. There are some people who even ridicule and degrade the children, calling them insane, crazy and stupid. What is lacking is the knowledge that these children need care and extra training which is provided in special schools. Also, such training will equip these children with at least some social and personal skills. However, understanding the cause of this disorder will help such children from being born at least in the future. Face is the index of the mind, goes the maxim, which literally means that a man's intelligence can be judged using an indicator known as IQ or intelligent quotient. A normal person has an IQ ranging anywhere between 90 and 110. An IQ of less than 70 indicates that the person is mentally retarded. Mentally retarded people can be classified as mild, moderate, severe, and profound based on the IQ. A mentally retarded child finds it relatively more difficult to take care of itself and communicate with others compared to other children with a higher IQ. Although there may be several biological causes for this disorder among children, the foremost is that they lack their parents' understanding. Also, lack of awareness among parents is a major cause for the plight of these children.
அடுத்து மஞ்சள் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? நம்ம மஞ்சள் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? முகத்துல பூசுவோம். ஏன் முகத்துல அம்மா பூசுவாங்களா உனக்கு மஞ்சள்?
There are primarily two causes for this disorder among children: biological and genetic. The mother's psychological condition at the time of pregnancy determines the mental health of the offspring to a great extent. Conceived mothers should take care that their environment at home or at workplace is congenial. Also, they must avoid stressful jobs. Mental retardation occurs due to biological causes. It can be overcome with proper medical help. Genetic factors are also responsible for this medical condition. Genes which transfer certain characteristics from parent to child can also cause such retardation. Consanguineous marriages can also be a reason for the transfer of certain diseases from the mother or father other than mental retardation. Hence, it is best to avoid marriages between blood relatives, but if it cannot be avoided, at least proper medical counseling should be sought before bearing a child. Every organ in our body is made up of thousands of minute cells. Each cell has got a gene factory in it known as the chromosomes. These chromosomes determine every physical aspect of our body, right from the color of the hair to the way we think. Certain mutations in parental chromosomes can also cause mental retardation in the offspring. Each cell has got 46 pairs of chromosomes, of which 23 pairs from the father and 23 pairs from the mother join together to form the zygote. At this stage, any improper formation can also result in retardation among children. Faults in genes associated with the chromosomes can also cause retardation. This can be avoided by examining hereditary diseases and genetic counseling before childbirth. Unfavorable circumstances or mental stress at the time of pregnancy, childbirth, or during childhood or certain diseases may also cause mental retardation to the child. Mental stress at the time of childbirth, high sugar or blood pressure may also affect a child's formation.
தைராய்டு என்பது ஒரு இன்றியமையாத சுரப்பியாகும். இது கர்ப்பகாலத்தின் பொழுது சில தாய்மார்கள் தாங்களாகவே அது குழந்தைக்கு கேடு ஏற்படுத்திவிடும் என்று நினைத்து கொண்டு அதை நிறுத்தி விடுகிறார்கள். தைராய்டு மாத்திரையை நிறுத்தினால்தான் குழந்தைக்கு கஷ்டம் வரும். ஆகையால் கண்டிப்பாக தைராய்டு மாத்திரைகளை நாம் நிறுத்தாமல் ஒருவேளை அதை அதிகரிக்க வேண்டுமா என்னங்கிறதை மருத்துவர் மூலம் நாம் அறிந்து கொள்வது நலமாக இருக்கும்.
In India, 80% of the women are anemic, says a report from the World Health Organization. A child's growth is affected when the mother is anemic. Therefore, at the time of pregnancy, the mother is advised to take a healthy diet and follow healthy habits. Proper iron supplements, folic acid, and other vitamin supplements should be consumed after proper medical advice. Severe fever or health complications at the time of pregnancy or sexually transmitted infections acquired by the father or mother can also affect the mental health of the child. The brain is a key organ that governs the functions of the body. The brain shows retarded growth when the brain cells are affected. The first 3 months of pregnancy are very vital for the development of the fetus, and a mother should take care to avoid X-rays penetrating the womb. Also, sufficient oxygen is necessary at the time of pregnancy. The mother should take care to be in open airy places and should keep away from the scenes of fire accidents. When the father has a positive blood group and the mother has a negative blood group, the offspring will have a positive blood group in most probability. Hence, the fetus which has survived with the mother's negative blood group in the fetus suffocates immediately after it's born and acquires a positive blood group. In most cases, the infant dies immediately after birth or develops such psychological and physical health complications. To prevent this situation, proper medical counseling at the time of pregnancy are mandatory. Acquiring German measles at the time of pregnancy can also be fatal for the fetus. Rubella vaccines should be administered to pregnant mothers to avoid this. Women are very fertile at the age group of 18 to 35, and this is the right age to bear a child. However, women who wish to bear a child after 35 years should take proper medical counseling to avoid complications. Pregnant mothers should definitely avoid smoking, consuming alcohol, and consuming drugs without physician's advice. It is very important that the mother gives birth to a child with the assistance of a doctor or trained medical nurses, which can avoid complications like suffocation caused by the interturning of umbilical cord. The normal healthy gestation period is anywhere between 270 to 280 days. Premature baby that is delivered before 250 days of gestation is at high risk. The growth of the fetus should be continuously monitored with the help of scan at the time of pregnancy to avoid this kind of complications. Similarly, if the gestation period exceeds 280 days, then the infant has to be delivered by surgery. Using proper surgical instruments will ensure that the baby is delivered safely. The first 2 years of the infant's life is vital for the development of the brain. Severe ailments in this stage like high fever and epilepsy should be immediately brought to the notice of the physician. Also, a pediatrician should be consulted regularly in case of ailments and delayed developments. Vaccinations should be given to the child at proper stages. The child should be monitored closely and accidents should be prevented. Although the list stretches on, we can prevent the future generation from this affliction by following these precautions.
Mom, can you hear me? Are you sure I'm wanted? But why are you trying to send me away? Are you taking this knowingly or unknowingly? I can't help crying when I realize that you don't need me. I wish I wouldn't be born when you don't need me. There cannot be greater pain than being unwanted, Mama. Probably, this pain would be a scar in my life. I would feel lesser than others. Won't it pain you too? From the day you conceived me, I just love you so much, Mom. My world looks small and dark, but I can survive only with your love. Now I feel independent, but will I be happy and independent when I am born? It's up to you, Mom. Really, it's up to you. Just see whether I'm healthy, Mom. Why do you and Dad bother whether I'm a boy or a girl? Does it make any difference? Anyway, I'm yours, Mom. Mom, your thoughtlessness has resulted in my disability. Why don't you think about how I should feel? Is it not difficult to survive in this world as a mentally retarded child? Why did you do this to me? I'm unable to bear the pain, Mom. Unable to bear. I feel lesser. I have so many dreams as others. Why? Why did you do this to me?
இரவுகள் தோன்றும் இந்த இளந்தளிர்